People who choose to skip the chaos of Black Friday and do their shopping in the security of their own home may not be completely safe. Buyers should be wary of fake websites and counterfeit products.
Sure, everybody likes a bargain, but use your head, apply some common sense, and ask if you think that's really a good deal if the product isn't going to last, and if you don't know who you're shopping with and you may not really get that item to begin with. It may not, come in the mail. It may just be a site that's used to steal your personal information.
The Better Business Bureau says shoppers should look out for secure websites, use a credit card, buy from familiar websites, and monitor accounts. And if someone is scammed online, there isn't much local law enforcement can do.
We can't send a couple of detectives to Southern California or Canada, for that matter, to go look for somebody who may or may not have sold something or what. So we're very limited to that, and so that's where it becomes a federal investigation more times than not. And just like anybody else, they've got thousands and thousands of cases that they may not be able to devote as much time to.
The Federal Trade Commission, BBB, and the FBI are the ones who handle online scamming.
If you've been victimized by one of these bogus sites, of course we want to know about it, so we ask that you file a complaint. The FTC would like to know about it as well, because they work daily along with the BBB to take down these bogus websites. Unfortunately, new sites pop up as soon as old ones go down, so it is a battle.